Wake up in the morning, check your phone, and start doom scrolling. Sound familiar? Well, not anymore, because today we're going to transform your morning routine with the help of Ai GenZ, and it's going to be epic. Trust me, whether you want to boost your productivity, learn something new, or just have some fun, we've got you covered with 5 amazing AI tools that will make your mornings awesome. Let's get started. No. 1. Start your day with a workout. But wait, I don't like working out. Well, that's no problem, because we've got an AI to help us out with that too. With an iFitness app, you can get personalized workouts tailored to your needs and preferences. No more excuses. Just download the app, tell it what you want to achieve and what the AI can go over. It will create a workout plan, and you'll receive daily reminders to stay on track. Plus, you can connect it to your Apple Watch or other fitness trackers to monitor your progress. It's like having a personal trainer in your pocket, except this one won't judge you for skipping leg day. Number 2, time to get organized. We all have that one friend who seems to be able to do everything at once, juggle multiple projects, and never miss a deadline. The secret, they use an AI-powered productivity app. These apps use artificial intelligence to help you organize your tasks, prioritize your to-do list, and even schedule your breaks. You can also use it to brainstorm ideas, write emails, and summarize articles. It's like having a personal assistant that never gets coffee all over the place. No. 3. Learn something new. How many times have you said you want to learn a new language or pick up a new hobby only to forget about it the next day? Don't worry, we've all been there. That's why you need an AI-powered learning app. These apps use artificial intelligence to personalize your learning experience. You can choose from a variety of courses, including language courses, math courses, and even music courses. The app will then use how to tailor the learning experience to your needs. You'll all receive feedback on your progress, and the material will be adjusted based on your strengths and weaknesses. Number 4, need some inspiration? We've all had those mornings where we feel like we're not enough, where our confidence is shaky and our motivation is non-existent. But guess what? You're awesome and you've got this. All you need is a little reminder. And that's where an AI-powered self-care app comes in. This app will serve as your own personal cheerleader, sending you daily affirmations and quotes to help you feel positive and confident. You can also use it to journal, set goals, and track your mood. It's like having a friend who is always there to lift you up when you're feeling down. Except this friend is an app, so it doesn't get tired of you talking about your feelings. No. 5, time for some mindfulness. We all know that starting the day with a clear mind can set the tone for the rest of the day. But how do you achieve that when your mind is constantly racing? Well, an AI-powered meditation app can help you find your inner peace. With guided meditations and breathing exercises tailored to your needs, you'll be able to reduce stress and anxiety and increase your focus and concentration. It's like having a personal Zen master that fits in your pocket, except this one doesn't charge you for a retreat. So there you have it, folks. 5 AI tools to transform your morning routine. Whether you want to get fit, get organized, learn something new, get inspired, or find your inner peace, there's an AI tool for that. So ditch the snooze button, embrace the power of AI, and get ready for an awesome day. And if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.